Are you ready to take control of your online footprint? I'm the CyberGuy, and if you're looking to protect your online privacy like I am, head over to cyberguy.com, and while you're there, sign up for my CyberGuy Report newsletter. Google, as you know, is many people's go-to, but a simple search can reveal more about you than you'd prefer. Luckily, Google has ways for you to erase sensitive data from search results by submitting a request to remove your information from the web. Here is how to do it. Now, on your computer, log into your Google account. Then search your name or whatever other information you want to remove at google.com. If you discover anything that's disconcerting or you don't want other people to see or know about when they search for your name on Google, like your phone number or a compromising photo, it may be time to act. Here's what you need to do. Click on the three dots next to the search result that you want to be removed. Select Remove Result, and then select whichever reason you have for removing the result. For example, it shows my personal contact info. Now, once you've clicked on the reason, fill in the details. Then hit Continue. Finally, click Send. Google's going to contact you when they've checked out your request, letting you know whether it's been approved or denied. Taking back control doesn't stop here. How about making those social media profiles even more discreet? Or perhaps ensuring your home isn't visible to every stranger on Google Maps? If you're nodding along, well, head to cyberguy.com and sign up for my free newsletter.